Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Pusheen Boba Tea. So let's get started. To draw this cute cup of boba, let's first start by drawing the cup. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to come down with an angle line for the side of my cup. So just bring it down. I'll just work on this side first. And let's say about that tall. And then I'm just going to drag this point all the way across. Just approximate, let's say about this wide. Give myself a point. And then I'm going to head down. So I'm going to try my best to just kind of match the other side's angle. And keep going. There. I'm just going to try to end about the same height as the other side, about right there. Then from there, I'm just going to round this part off a little bit and come in. Same thing over here. And just connect it with a soft curve. There. And then from the top, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up, round it off. And we're gonna go up. So same thing here, just round it up, kind of drawing this dome shape. And let's bring this up just a little bit. And before I finish this, if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve all the way across. But I don't want to erase, so I'm just gonna come back to the center and let's say about right here. So I'll start about here. Just draw a curve right in the center area, approximate. About right there, and I'm just going to draw my straw. So about right here, just come down, just easier for my hand to draw this straight line coming down. So about right there, and just going to round, draw a curve to finish it off. And then I'm just going to come back and finish off my curve. On both sides. There. So now that I have this shape in, let's come back in for some details. So I'm going to come back to where I started on my cup, and I'm going to come right here, come all the way back to where we started on the other side. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve going all the way across. There, just approximate. And then let's see, we're going to draw another one right at the top. About there. And then now we can come down a little bit, so just keep a little bit of space about right, I'll say about right here. I'll start, I'll give myself a point, and I'm just going to drag this across so I know where to go on the other side. And so if you're using a pencil, just draw another curve going all the way. But I need to put in some ears, so I'm just going to go ahead and start my curve and stop about right there to draw some ears. Go up nice and high, round off the tip, and I'll come back down to about the center area, kind of where the straw is, and I'll continue this curve. So just kind of make the center kind of the width of my straw. And then right about here, go up again for the other ear. Round off the tip, come down, continuing this curve, and finish it off. There. So then now that we have that, we're going to come back up. So right on top of these ears, we're going to have to put another curve. So I'll drag this across, just so I know it's where I'm going on the other side. It's easier for me to see. And connect. There. Okay, so now my layer's in. I'm coming back into this area. Right under here, we're going to draw 3 stripes. So 3 U's, and 1 in the center. Then I'll come right down the center. And say about right here, I'm just going to draw a straight line and curve out on both sides for the mouth and nose. And then we're going to come to the sides, about right here. We're just going to draw a circle for the eyes. And I'll put in a highlight right here and shade everything else in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There. So then from there, let's draw some whiskers. So I'm going to come to where the eyes are, about right here, and just draw in 2 whiskers. And same thing on the other side. Then from there, we need to draw the boba. So right underneath in the center area, I'm going to draw a circle. So about right here. Nice round boba. And then maybe another one here, just stagger it. And another one over here. There, and then if you want, you can draw 2 more here, a little bit more ovalish, because it's on the side. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. That's pretty much it, except I need to put a heart somewhere. So I'll just put it on this straw right in the center to make this my Draw So Cute Pusheen Boba Tea. I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.